Avoid using the same exercise numbers from previous timbre imagination lessons when practicing sound texture. Instead, choose new material to allow a fresh, focused experience of sound texture. This way, it will be much easier and faster to imagine the notes within this new concept of sound texture. When your inner canvas already carries string timbre associations for each note, transforming them into sound texture may otherwise feel resistant and even overwhelming. Sing the sequence out loud, using sound movement and glissando between each note. If needed, you may lightly touch the key after singing to help stay connected to the pitch. Then, imagine the sequence in sound texture, combining liquid resonance, sound movement, and horizontal glissando. Imagine a liquid sound moving in an L shape, downward and sideways. Glide mentally to the next sound with a smooth glissando. Picture the next sound in a liquid texture moving in an L shape. Continue the flow with another horizontal glissando toward the next tone. Play with 3D motion and sound imagination. Before you begin, mentally hear the first two notes in a liquid sound texture, guiding them with sound movement. As you play, keep your hands light and relaxed, allowing the imagined sound to shape your motion. Imagine each note in sound texture, guided by sound movement and glissando, and gently infuse every sound with the energy of your dream. Before blending sound with your true needs, take a moment to tune into how this feels emotionally. Revisit your manifestation list before practicing to reconnect with the emotions behind your dreams. This shift allows you to move beyond fear or anxiety, and instead creating a sense of peace, fulfillment, and quiet joy in each note you imagine. Play with 3D motion and sound imagination, infusing each note with the energy of your dream. Sing and imagine the notes of the interval or chord with sound movement, but without glissando. Gradually shorten the time between each note until they sound simultaneously in your mind. When it's impossible to sing the interval at once, keep imagining until all the notes sound simultaneously in your mind. To stay centered in pitch, you may lightly touch the key after singing. Imagine the note sequence in sound texture, guided by sound movement and glissando. If imagining full intervals at once feels challenging, It's perfectly fine to still slightly break them apart in your mind as you build clarity and ease. Play with 3D motion and sound imagination. Before you begin, imagine the first two intervals in a liquid sound texture and sound movement. As you play, keep your hands light and relaxed. Imagine each note in a fluid sound texture, guided by sound movement and glissando, and gently infuse every sound with the emotional energy of your dream. Play with 3D motion and sound imagination, infusing each note with the energy of your dream.